Hey, it's David here, and I'm going to unbox this Apple wireless keyboard for you. So, okay. So this sells for $69 in an Apple store in the States. So, just take the plastic out, and it opens. Okay, let's take a tour around the box. So this, just requirements, what it looks like, and the barcodes, and the keyboard. It says wireless keyboard, Apple. So, opens like that. The keyboard comes out. You see, there's a little tab over here. Pull it out. And that's that. And then it comes with instruction manuals, no Apple stickers. So yeah. And then here's just your QWERTY keyboard. Take off the plastic. Use the tab here. Pull down. And then slip it out. Take the other sides off. Then it just slips out. And then there you go, your QWERTY keyboard. It has, of course, the Apple things up here, no brightness controls, then the media controls here, the eject, then mission control, and what do they call that one? I forget what they call that one. And then your brightness, but it doesn't have a backlit, so that's what it is. These are the backlit buttons, which you can program to something else, and then these are the screen brightness. So, hope you liked this video. Thumbs up. Hope to see you next time. Peace.